Still on my 36-second video. Remember, if you long press on it, you can see the duration of the video. Now on this 36-second video, if I want to post it on Instagram and I want it to be long form, the first tool I'm going to teach you now is Canvas, this first thing here. So I've clicked on Canvas and I see fit, so it's just going to be fit the way it is. I see 1.1, so now it will take a full square shape, but now my video is not everywhere on this shape. What will I do? Do I like the black background? I can change the black background to white. So I scroll to background on my tools. I say let the background be white, therefore we have a white background. On background, I can still say let it just be the color of my room but blurry. So I click on all these blurs. Okay, but I want it to be white. However, back to Canvas, you see that on Canvas here, if I don't want the white background at all, I will use my hand. Now I'm putting my 2 fingers on the video and I'm going to zoom, so it can take this shape as a square. I can push it left and I can push it right, whichever part I want. Okay, if I click undo, all those actions that I did will be undone. Okay, now on Canvas as well, if I want it to be for Instagram, I'm going to click on 9.16. But as you see again, the video is like this. I can decide to post it like this. Maybe I'll put text up and down, or I might want to change the background to any color I like. Okay, and still put text up and down if I want, or just post it like this. Also, I can change the background to the color of anything in the room. So I'm going to click on this first thing before the palette of colors, is the eye drop. So I click on the color of my wall, and now the background is the color of my wall. However, I'm going back to Canvas. If I want my video to be full on the page, I don't want this color background thing. So you can always push your video anywhere you want with your hands. Okay, it's very mobile. But what I want to do now is I want to expand it till only my face is showing. This is how I want to post it. Okay, so this is the video. Now I'm going to click on full screen view so that I'll see how my viewers are going to watch it. This is what my viewers are going to watch. Okay, good. So if I don't want this, I can also undo. I'm clicking on undo now, so everything I've done now is undoing itself. Good. So now if I don't want this extra of my room to be showing, I don't want people to see, maybe somewhere in my picture I have a rag, or I have somebody that refused to leave my back, I will then go to crop. I'm just still on tools now. I'm scrolling around the tools. I will then go to crop. There's a tool here called crop. It's so easy to find. So I will remove the person if there's someone there, so that all I can see at this point is this. Now also, if I want to show only my eyebrows, I can click trim to only my eyebrows to show, my eyes and my eyebrows to show. So you may see that in some of my videos, I'm clicking undo now. You may see that in some of my videos, I have different things showing on the same video. What I did there was split. This is a tool called split. If you search, you will just find it. It's a tool called split. So I will click on something like this. I will stop somewhere randomly. Maybe I will split. I will go again. I'll split. I'll go again. I've split the video now. So you can split or you can trim. You can split to remove a part you don't want. Okay. So now I'm going to take this part and stretch it while I leave the other part short. This second part, I'm going to add more color. So I'm going to a place called filter. To add color, go to a place called filter and go to adjust. So I'm now on adjust. I want it to be more colorful. It's too red. So this is the video. We're still working on the video. See, this place is now more colorful than the other parts. Now if I don't want this end of the video where she's flipping her hair, I will just use the dustbin. I've clicked on it, okay, and I will then use the dustbin. Okay, so if I want to bring it back, maybe I deleted it by mistake, I will use the undo button. Now this part, if I want to make it fast, I will go to speed. This way to the left is slow, to the right is to make it fast. Now see, she's faster. Okay, she's faster. She can be a lot faster than that. Remember, the faster the video, the shorter the frame will become. So I don't want that. I'm going to undo and undo. She's now back to normal. Okay, so I'm also going to show you how to do reverse. It would be better if the person is walking, so you see the reverse going backwards. Then duplicate. So many things in the video I'll show you, but for now the major tools you need to know are: which canvas are you using, which video music do you want to put, or do you want to add the volume back. So let me put the volume of her voice back. I told my mom I can't believe that with all the, so you see so many things here you can do. The PIP, I will show you PIP later, but for now I just wanted to show you the basic tools. They're just all around here: the dustbin, the crop, the color. I'm going to give you time whenever NEPA brings light to play around the first major tools. Remember, if you don't want a part of the video, you can always use the splits. Where's split and remove. If the part you don't want is in the middle, let me show you. Let me add volume so that I'll show you something. To add volume, I'll click on volume. Yes, you can either click on volume or music. They both do the same thing. So I click on volume. I've added this thing back. I still look this fresh. I still look this amazing. And I said, if I want to remove, I still look this amazing. See what I'm going to do now. Fresh. I still look this. I still look like this. I still look this fresh. I still look this amazing. And I said, so I don't want her to say I still look this amazing. I'm going to cut it off, but I'm going to use the pause, the sharp. I'm going to be sharp to cut it where I want it to cut. Still look this fresh. So now she has said fresh. I know the next thing she will say is I still look this amazing. So I cut. I still look this amazing. So I've cut off I still look this amazing. What I touch now, there's a white frame on it with wings. That is I still look this amazing. How do I know? I will click on these scissors. Click on the scissors. I still look this amazing. So I know that that's the part. So I'll just click on dustbin. Remember, if you mistakenly touch something else and click dustbin, is that thing that will go. So what's going to go now is I still look this amazing. Now I'll play the video as if she never said that. Still look this fresh. And I said, if someone else... So you see, I still look this amazing has been removed. Still look like this. I still look this fresh. And I said, if someone else were in my shoes. So that's how some people take an interview, take what someone has said, they cut out what happened, the vital thing the person said, and post the video just like that. And people will start commenting, thinking the person is bad, not knowing that there's a full version. I still look like this. I still look this fresh. And I said, if someone else were in my shoes, taking that high dose of iron prescribed by a doctor, for so long. So that's what I've just shown you today. So when you're with your phone again, just look around all these icons one after the other. This one is sticker. It is from sticker that, let's not go too far. So from sticker, basic stickers are like the stickers I just used, or you can use your own pictures. As you will see here, I have so many pictures that I've used as stickers. What do stickers do? Like, I want her to have plenty money, so I've put a sticker of money. I'll show you where I got all these ones from, because they're not this thing. If I want people to follow me on my Instagram, I can put my this thing here. I can animate it to come in a beautiful way, something we'll do later. I want them to follow me on my YouTube. So these are stickers that I just already have here for whenever I need them. I want an arrow to point at something. This arrow can be big or small, can change shape. You know, any sticker you put can change shape, can be big or small, can even cover your screen. So if I normally in some videos I posted, you see this laughter bouncing. I just give it a bouncing effect. I'll show you all that later. That's the end of this video.